Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Family Album app. You will click on Settings. In this page, you will go to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you will search about Family Album app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page, we click on Clear Cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Family Album. And then you can update your app if you find updating this plus sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.